Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's video, we're going to be planning in my Every Penny Counts dated budget planner for the month of August. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's August, but here we are. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff, and use our code PLAN20 at perspectiveplans.com. Now without further ado, let's jump on into our plan. Don't tell me where your priorities are. Show me where you spend your money and I'll tell you where they are. Well, what they are. James W. Frick, and it's August. Super exciting, super exciting. Of course, this month we're gonna decorate. Last month I kind of rushed through for the month of July, but yeah, we're definitely gonna decorate. I have my Nutra stickers to help me decorate with. But yeah, first things first, let's go ahead and use our pen to write in our financial goals. So definitely bringing my credit card down to 30% utilization is something that I really want to handle. And then the next one is try to increase my 401k. Then the next one is pay off my semi-annual sales, because I did do a bit of shopping last month for July. I didn't do as much shopping as I had anticipated, but I definitely spent some money. So we're gonna pay that off. And yeah, those are the main three goals. With my very messy handwriting. As for days to remember, I don't think I have any. Of course, we're going to track our credit scores as we always do. I'm just going to do that off camera because it's my business. And I can do it privately because it's my planner. Let's find some things to decorate with, shall we? Oh, that's cute. I do think I want to get a new phone next month, depending on what the new iPhone is, because my phone is quite old and it doesn't charge the way it used to, and the battery doesn't last either. So I've had it a good while. I'm hoping to not buy the most expensive phone because I do adore having a $5 phone bill with Visible. So something that is definitely within that range to help me, you know, stay within my handy dandy budget and on my financial goals. I'm really liking these circles. They're like graphic circles. They're cute. I'm trying to not add too many so it's not too busy, but for the most part I'm liking it. Okay, let's see what else we can grab. I didn't know we had flowers. We could have used those. Those are cute. Hearts, reading list, planners. I do want to get a typewriter, but they're always so expensive. Since it's like back to school season, maybe buying some stationery that I need for my desk and playing with me is, so let's add that for dates to remember. Maybe just in notes. Buy school supplies. Or buy stationery. Yeah, buy stationery? Because my pen stash, it has definitely dwindled. Double checking my stash on, you know, paper clips and things of that nature. Because if I can get it on sale instead of paying full price during the rest of the year, I am happy. Plants. Okay, not bad. Let's see what else we can grab. Ooh, these are cute. Make time for what you love. Go with the flow. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing the best you can. I think I need this one for August. Because I'm definitely doing the best I can, man. Life is starting to beat me up. Okay, what else can we find? Do-do-do-do-do. All right. Maybe one of these. Yeah. And this just says, take time to make your soul happy. Super true. And a great reminder for the month of August. I put it on there a bit crooked, but we're gonna keep it moving, okay? Small changes eventually add up to huge results. Unknown, a really great quote. We of course have a no spend challenge because after July, I thought it was appropriate. So yeah, of course, we're just gonna tick off the days that we don't spend money, and I'm hoping to stick to it, especially since I don't have much. There's nothing really jumping out at me to spend money this month, so that's a good thing. So I should be able to keep on track. So yeah, let's add another quote over here to our sidebar. We have our mini look ahead calendar. Let your heart be your guide. Okay. Super cute. We definitely have some empty squares up here, and I'm not sure what we're going to add for them yet. Maybe we should do bill tracking first and then do decorating, I'm thinking. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's do some bill tracking. $18. All right, let's do some payday tracking. So we need to put it here. Alrighty, I think we have all our wonderful icons. There we go. So we have rent on the 1st. God willing, it doesn't go up. We're praying it goes down. That's gonna be on the 1st. We have our paydays track, gas. What else? So the 10th is stars. And I think my trial ends this month, so I need to definitely cancel it. Then we have Capital One. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Spotify, and then we have Hulu, Disney. City card. Chase Freedom. Freedom Unlimited. And then we have Energy. Then we have our card payment on the 18th, gas on the 19th. The 20th is Wi-Fi with Cox. All right, so here we have the 25th, Netflix. God willing, that price doesn't change. But if it does, we're leaving it blank. We have HBO Max, leaving that blank too. All right, so the 26th, that is my pedal card. Then boom, we have 2 phone bills. So my mother pays for my brother and hers, and that's $50 total because there's $25 each with Visible, unlimited talk, text, and data. And then with that data, you can do a hotspot with it, which is amazing. But thanks to people like you using my code, my bill has dropped down to $5 lucky. So thank you in advance. But yeah, now of course we'll have that ad popping up because they're a really great phone service by Verizon. I adore it. It's a phone service I use, and I don't think I'm leaving Visible, like ever. ever. All right, so the 30th, we have Philo. And then Apple Card for Mom. And then my Apple Card. All right, I think we're good. So now let's go ahead and get to decorating. All the bills are tracked. I'm so excited. You're doing great, and I am. I am grateful for everything I have, everything I know, everything I am. Ooh, I love that. We gotta add it. We gotta add it, man. Find your joy. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at PerspectivePlans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Yeah. All right, good things are ahead, and they are. You are capable of amazing things, and well, I am. Let's see. And then we have So Great. I think I'm liking it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. It's coming together, you guys. Not a whole lot of decor, but you know, we got a lot tracked. So I'm happy about that. We got the sticky notes stickies. So we have student loans, credit card. So that'll be our debt column. And then, oh, I almost forgot to read the quote. Rich people stay rich by living like they are broke. Broke people stay broke by living like they're rich. I know, really good quote. Really good quote. Still not sure what I want to write for tithes. Well, not tithes, but write for personal. I typically like to do a different church a week that I sow a seed into. So every week, different church, that kind of thing, a whole rotation. Because I do like supporting other churches besides my own main church, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm not going to write them down just in case someone doesn't like that church. You know how people can be. But yeah, Wi-Fi, Entergy, for transportation we have car note, car insurance, and then gas. As for grocery, we have Sam's Club. Not sure how much I'm going to spend yet. Too soon to say. We're still making our grocery list, so we'll play that by ear. As for entertainment, I'm going to write social like I did last month and just have a bit of money for social gatherings. So that way when they arrive, I'm good to go. So for subscriptions, we have Hulu, the Hulu Disney bundle thing. Hopefully they don't get rid of it because I really like it. We have Netflix, Philo, Amazon Prime. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything for food delivery like Uber Eats, pizza. Hopefully I won't, so I can stay with my spending tracker, well, my no spend. So we have rent for housing. As for health, we'll leave that blank as the same thing for essentials. And we'll play that by ear. Yeah. Savings, we're playing that by ear. I do plan on adding something to my savings. I'm just not sure on how much I want to add to my savings just yet. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good place to leave it. Thank you so much for planning with me today. And I will see you in the very, very next one. Remember to keep planning for what's to come. And I'll see you in the next Plan with Me video. Have a great one. And remember to keep planning for what's to come. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.